When I say the word reinvent, what you hear depends on who you are. For some it's fantasy, for others it's a polite prompt you ignore between emails. For me, reinvention is not cosmetic change or motivational theatre. It is a deliberate act of intelligence, where emotional intelligence is sharpened, human IQ is amplified by AI, and every move is tested against sustainable solutions that endure pressure, time, and consequence. Reinvention means redesigning how I show up with self-awareness, how I sell with ethical clarity, and how I allocate attention as a finite strategic resource. AI does not replace my judgment. It extends my cognition, exposing patterns I could not see alone, while emotional intelligence keeps me human, relational, and anchored. This is not about doing more. It is about doing what matters, with precision, building systems, leadership, and value that can survive scale without eroding meaning. Give me 90 days and I will change the part of you that is distracted, stuck, and unsure. Not with manifestos or magical thinking. This is not woo-woo. This is war. We will train, we will sharpen, and we will deliver measurable results. More clarity, more cash, more leverage, more life. You get 9 steps, a 90-day timeline, and practical tools you can use today. Let's go. By the end of this quarter, you will be recognizably different. Not in the vague, I feel better way, but in outcomes. You will have a clear revenue goal in flight, a visible identity that opens doors, a leverage stack multiplying your work, and simple habits that protect your attention and expand your capacity. This is the freedom method. Pick one way you make money, put a $sign on it, and then build identity plus leverage plus discipline around it. Win the tiny battles, and you create momentum that compounds. Obsession wins. People who treat work as play are impossible to beat. Appearance is leverage. Dress like the person you are becoming. Clothing changes cognition. Leverage beats hours. Naval Ravikant's 3 levers, audience, capital, and code, are your missiles. Build them in parallel. Less, better, louder. Our not-to-do list is as powerful as a to-do list. Remove friction, then amplify the few things that matter. Move in silence. Do the work privately until the result is real. The world only respects outcomes. Start with the physical environment. Clutter in your space equals clutter in the mind. Donate the things that do not fit the future you. Then ask, what does the wealthier version of me wear? Buy one piece that shifts perception, a blazer, a watch, a disciplined haircut. Clothing primes cognition. A classic lab coat experiment shows symbolic dress changes performance. Put the signal out, you have moved. Action, clean. Donate. Buy one role-defining piece. Diagram 1, the closet to cognition flow. A 3-box diagram, declutter symbolic dress behavioral shift. Put on screen as a step visual. Pick one income source. Set a dollar target and a delivery metric. Small, realistic wins compound. Sell 12 items, close 3 clients, sign 1 freelance retainer. The goal is not vanity, it's feedback. Fulfillment of a public-facing promise rewires identity. Action, set a specific monetary goal. Pin it where you see it. Write your life as a 3-act story. Who you are now, the threat, the transformation. Use your own words, not other people's images. If you were the hero of your book, what would happen? This forces specificity. George Lucas said, "Find your voice." Write yours. Action, 1 page, 3 acts. Read it every morning. If buying a business is your move, I run a live 3-day sprint. But the wider point is discipline. You can design a compressed sprint to decide, fund, and act. Compression creates clarity. Action, build a 1-page deal box. Look for deals that fit it. You will not scale by working harder. Build leverage. Audience: one video, one article, one newsletter that reflects your identity. Team: recruit operators or contractors for replication. Code: templates, SOPs, automations, or AI prompts that deliver at scale. You can own tiny wins and then run them through leverage. With audience you have reach, with team you have time freedom, with code you have repeatability. Action: create one content piece, map one automation, hire one microcontractor. Diagram 2: leverage stack pyramid. Base: code, team, audience. Show ROI multipliers on the side. If you want to be unrecognizable, subtraction is everything. Decide what you will stop doing now, one or two things. Stilettos. Social scroll. Meeting hour grazing. Cut them. Use these tactics. Grayscale your phone. Use strict timers for social use. Put your phone in another room for the first 15 minutes after waking. Action: create your not-to-do list and enforce it for 21 days. Outwork the average. Wake up earlier. Use the hot 15, 20 minutes of movement, 10 minutes of writing. The first hour sets default neurochemistry. This is non-negotiable. Action: build a 60-minute morning ritual. Track adherence. Pick a specialized identity and attach leverage to it. You don't need to be the best at everything. Be the best at your niche overlap, e.g., Japanese anime graphic designer with business acumen, unique, defensible, and scalable. Action: define your niche, publish one portfolio piece, pitch 3 clients. Do not broadcast your plan. Do the work. In 90 days, hold a public moment, a small launch, a reveal, an income report. That's when the world can meet the new you. Action: publish results. Celebrate privately, announce strategically. Phase 1, days 1 to 30, foundations and momentum. Day 1 to 3, closet, wardrobe, home declutter. Set money goal. Write your script. Week 1, hot 15 ritual starts. Publish your one-page story. Week 2, create first content, make first direct sales approach. Automate one simple task. Week 3, launch not-to-do list. Begin 21-day adherence. Hire one microcontractor or VA. Week 4, first revenue milestone check. Iterate. Phase 2, days 31 to 60, scale and discipline. Week 5 to 6, build leverage stack elements, funnel, SOP, team process. Week 7, run a 3-day focused sprint. Week 8, deepen identity work, publish a signature piece. Weekly, review results, prune what fails. Phase 3, days 61 to 90, compound and reveal. Day 61 to 75, intensify outreach, close clients, optimize pricing. Day 76 to 88, polish public reveal. Day 89 to 90, quarterly review and public reveal. Publish a one-page results dashboard, income, conversions, time saved, habits kept. Obsession, not hobby. You must be fanatical about the thing that matters. One revenue stream focus. For 90 days, concentrate. Multiple half-finished things produce nothing. Protect your attention. Your phone is not neutral. Treat it as an adversary until proven otherwise. Measure weekly. If you cannot measure it, you cannot improve it. Use simple KPIs: revenue, hours of focused work, content published. Move in silence. Tell only those who help you execute. The marshmallow test demonstrates delayed gratification predicts long-term outcomes. Translate it to the digital age. delayed scrolling, delayed gratification of impulse buys. Symbolic dress experiments show that how you dress affects cognition and behavior, where the role. Behavioral economics. Small wins create dopamine feedback loops that compound motivation. Track micro-victories. Subject: quick win for 30 minutes to test. Hi, I've helped clients increase by. I have a short plan to test with no risk. 30 minutes this week to share. Elena. Morning ritual. Hot 15 water 10 minutes right, 20-minute movement, cold shower 5-minute plan walk to work, the begin focus block. Not to do sample, no social before noon, no meeting more than 45 minutes, no multitasking on calls. I tell founders, don't tell me what you'll do when things are easy, tell me what you'll do when the legal letter arrives, the bank says no, the product flops. Obsession means you live in the field when the winds blow hard. This spirit separates the small from the enduring. If your plan collapses under stress, you didn't build identity, you built hope. The question I always ask, will you do this when it costs you? If we cannot answer yes, we rebuild. You get one life. We are not here to be passive. Reinvention is a craft, an applied art of small, consistent actions amplified by leverage. The steps I gave you are brutal because the world is ruthless. But they are also elegant because they ask for fewer things done exquisitely. Remember, clean the space, change the mind. Define money, and hit it you rewire agency. Write the script, you author destiny. Build leverage, you multiply time. Remove distractions, you win attention. Move in silence, you avoid the curse of premature applause. If you want the 90-day printable roadmap and the 4 diagrams, I'll prepare them as a downloadable PDF so you can pin it to your wall and live inside it. Go do the work. Come back in 90 days and tell me the truth. I want to see the evidence. Dr. Elena Karuba.